Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street and also Kayu Jati Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street and also Kayu Jati Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And our unit today start from the east part on Kayu Aya Street. Let's see together how busy in this area today. You see, right side, you tree down there is good. If I straight on, that is Drupa District. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. And in the right side, there is Corner House Restaurant, the Legend Restaurant on Kayu Aya Street. And I was busy down there. And left side, also a few trees down there. It's good. Wow, traffic jam. Heavy traffic in Seminyak Bali today. See that? Yeah, people is down there. That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Whew. So humid, starting humid now in Bali. The humid gonna be until on March. You see right side? Few trees down there. Yeah, but it is traffic jam. I hope this video will give you an information about the update session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street and also Kayu Jati Street. And maybe you will come to Bali in the next few days and you still try to find where the best place to stay. Now I will show you how to like the real session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. Not really bad to stay actually, because in this area easy to find restaurant and also for shopping, because we have two big mall we call Seminyak Village and also Kayu Aya Square, and there is also flea market at Kayu Aya Square. Wow, not really busy. A little bit quiet in this area, isn't it? Why? Usually Seminyak is always busy. Oh, you see right side? There are features down there, quite busy. Also in left side. And now we are nearby central shopping area in Seminyak Bali. Yeah, right side, also left side, few trees down there. Nirvana. Oh, Bit quiet down there at Nirvana. Davido been there. Also Magrima and Davido brother. But so quiet at Nirvana. Also in this area, it is not really busy, isn't it? Actually now we are nearby central shopping area in Seminyak Bali, but still very quiet. Looks so quiet. Right side? Yeah. Theatre is down there. Italian job restaurant, not so busy. Actually I'm gonna say like now is lunchtime. Theatre is having lunch but not really busy. Wow, theatre is down there. That's good. Also left side. Yeah, this is central shopping area in Seminyak Bali. Seminyak Square at the front, and if I turn right, there is Seminyak Village Mall. But not really busy. Wow, so quiet. Where they are. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Kayu Aya Street, and soon I will drive in past Kayu Aya Square, and there is flea market down there. Maybe in there will be more busier compared in this area. Yeah, theatre is down there. Not really bad. Also here. Yeah, left side, flea market. And I already made a video few weeks ago down there. The last update at the flea market on my video. Wow, so quiet in this area. Why? Where they are. Yep. Not so bad. Right side, tourist down there. Also left side is the main gate to go to Kudeta. We are still on Kayu Aya Street. And along the way left side there is a lot hotels, and they are connecting to Peti Tengah Beach. Oh my god, so quiet in this area. Not so many tourists. Where they are go? Where they are gone? Sorry my English. And at the front right side there is a restaurant we call sea circus, and I've been having dinner with my customer, my subscriber from Malaysia, Yong Puichin and Chua. And also they invite my friend Bobo and Dian Sunrise, also YouTuber. Yeah, this is sea circus. Okay guys, so this is the session at the moment on Kayu Aya Street. Now I will continue driving on Kayu Jati Street. Let's see together how busy in this area today. Actually, to stay in this area also recommended, because in this area also have nightclub we call Mexicola. Yeah, left side is Mexicola, and also few villa in this area. It's quiet, isn't it? Oh my god, so quiet. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Seminyak Bali. So what do you think for so far? Not really busy, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Seminyak Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any video from Bali Top of Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.